Namaste, myself Dr. K. Chaudhary, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women University, Jaipur. Subject Pedagogy of Biology, and the topic today we will discuss is Concept Attainment Model. First, what is the Concept Attainment Model? The Concept Attainment Model is an instructional strategy founded on the work of Jerome Bruner, built on the principle of concept formation. The concept attainment model promotes student learning through a process of structured inquiry. The model helps students to understand and learn concept by identifying attributes or key features through a process of analysis, comparison and contrasting of examples. Two sets of examples are used in this strategy. Yes, example that have attribute of the concept, and no, example that do not have attribute of the concept. Concept attainment model in practice. Introduce as a whole class activity, this instructional strategy can be implemented using the following steps. First, preparation. Choose a concept with well-defined attributes. Prepare yes and no examples. Some of the yes examples should have high attribute value, meaning it should be clear representative of the concept. Second, in the classroom, introduce and explain the strategy. Draw two columns on the board and title them as yes and no. Present each example and write them in the appropriate column. Start with 3 examples in each column. Instruct student to analyze and compare the examples within the group and between the groups. Write the attribute listed by the student on the other side of the board. Add 3 more examples to each column. Instruct student to refine the attribute list by analyzing the additional examples. Ask students if they are able to identify the concept but not to say it out aloud. Students who have identified the concept can be encouraged to add more yes example to the column. Encourage other students to examine the students' generated example to identify the concept. Teachers can assist by modeling the thought process to help other students identifying the concepts. Once identified, help students define it using the list of identified attributes. To test for understanding, have students suggest more yes and no example of the concept with explanation. Or the teachers can present student with example and instruct them to categorize them as yes or no. Then what are the practicing the strategy? Divide the class into small group or pair and provide them with concept attainment worksheet. Instruct student to find the essential attribute of a concept, identify the concept and define it. An additional sheet with a random example can be included, which student can be instructed to categorize. At the end of the session, each group can present and discuss their findings. Teacher can combine the concept attainment model with a carousel method, placing different concept worksheet at a different workstation. Each group start from one workstation and eventually visit each workstation, identifying attribute and recording them. At the end of the carousel, group return to their original workstation and using the information recorded, try to identify and define their concept. Each group can then present their concept to the class, teaching using the concept attainment model. The concept attainment model serves as a powerful teaching and learning strategy For teachers, it is advantageous to use the model to introduce and teach new concepts through an active student centric inquiry based approach. Simultaneously, the model as a learning strategy helps the students to link past knowledge with new information, critically analyze, compare, and categorize information, examine and understand a concept from multiple perspectives, strengthening understanding and retrieval of the concept. This is all about the concept attainment model. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you very much.